What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to give you an update on our different varieties of garlic. So on November 4th, we planted 4 different varieties of garlic that we got from the grocery store. These 3 over here, they look like the same variety, but we don't know for sure. And these right here are elephant garlic. The elephant garlic was the last to pop up. So we planted our garlic 3 to 4 inches deep in compost and red clay. If you guys haven't checked out that video, you should go check it out. We planted 119 cloves in this 60 square feet area. This is our first time growing garlic, and what I'm noticing is that garlic is super easy to grow. Super easy. And it's super low maintenance. I mean, all you have to do is plant and walk away. I mean, we haven't even watered it one time. Only thing that we have done to our garlic is mulch it with these grass clippings. We were thinking about shredding up some leaves and adding them to the top of our garlic, but I don't know. Right now they're looking good. Let us know in the comment section what you think. Should we mulch up leaves and put it on the top, or should we just leave it alone? So 2 months in, and we're wishing that we would have actually purchased some of those hardneck and special varieties of garlic, because all of these except the elephant garlic at the end are soft neck varieties of garlic. And it would have been nice come harvest time to see the difference in taste and the difference in growth if we would have had the hardneck and the soft neck varieties of garlic, but we'll get to that next year. Let us know in the comment section what's your favorite variety of garlic. We actually been thinking about growing garlic to sell because it's super easy to grow, super low maintenance, and it seems like there's a high demand for special varieties of garlic. If you have any experience with garlic farming, please let us know in the comment section, because I was wondering how much square footage would it take to make 5 figures from garlic, and how many cloves are we looking to plant to make 5 figures? Do you guys think this broccoli is ready to be harvested? Because we have no idea. We can't wait until the summertime so we can share our first garlic harvest with you guys. Is it gonna be like our first time harvesting onions? Or is it gonna be like our first time harvesting sweet potatoes? I hope sweet potatoes, but in the garden everything don't go exactly how we planned, so you know, we'll just wait until the summertime to find out how this garlic is gonna be.
Say hello. Hello, Zane.
What?
Hello.
Hey, what is it?
Zane.